Okay, this is a right-hand tutorial for Snowfall on page 10 of Ben's book. So you start with your 3-finger on C, 2 octaves above middle C, down a third to your 1, then your 3-finger comes up a second, and your thumb goes down to G, and then your 3-finger goes up a second to A, thumb down to F, 3-finger on G, thumb on E, 3-finger on F, thumb on D, 3-finger on E, thumb on C, 3-finger on D, thumb on B, 3-finger on C, thumb on A, 3-finger on B, thumb on G, 3-finger on A, thumb on F, and then you cross your 2-finger over to D. And then you jump up to the second B above middle C, play it with your 3, and we do that 3-1 thing coming down. So down a third to D, G, and then you scrunch your 3-finger over to A, so you're going up a second with your 3, down a third to your thumb and F, 3 on G, thumb on E, 3 on F, thumb on D, 3 on E, thumb on C, 3 on D, thumb on B, 3 on C, thumb on A, 3 on B, thumb on G, 3 on A, thumb on F. Then you cross your 3-finger over to E, then down a second, 2 on D, thumb on C. And then you repeat, but we're going to go on. So on bar 9, the last line of the first page, you play C again, up a second to D, C, D, C, D, and then E flat with your 3, 2 on D, thumb on C. Then thumb on C, 2 on D, 3 on E natural, and that's held for the rest of the line. And then bar 13 is C, D, C, D, C, D, and then bar 14, E flat, D, C, D, and then you jump your thumb up a fourth to G, and then you go up an octave to G, an octave higher, and then your 2-finger goes an octave higher. It looks like the same G. This is the last note of bar 16, but there's an A sign on it, so over it. So you go to this G, and then your 3-finger stretches up to a fourth to the C above that. So you're on the C 3 octaves above middle C. And then you do that same 3-1 pattern. So it's C, A, 3 on B, thumb on G, 3 on A, thumb on F, 3 on G, thumb on E, 3 on F, thumb on D, 3 on E, thumb on C, 3 on D, thumb on B, 3 on C, thumb on A, 3 on B, thumb on G, 3 on A, thumb on F, and cross your 2 over to D. This is all an octave higher than written. And then you're going to jump all the way up to the third B above middle C, because it's still A-F-A. 3 on that B, thumb on G, and then it's 3-1, 3-1 all the way down. So 3 on A, thumb on F, G, E, F, D, E, C, D, B, C, A, B, G, A, thumb on F, cross your 3 over to E, D, C. And then the A sign goes away, and so you just go up a third with a flat, so up to E flat, the second D flat above middle C, D with your 2, thumb on C, again, E flat, D, C, 5 on the second C above middle C, up an octave, same note with your thumb, and then up an octave to the last C. That's the right-hand tutorial for Snowfall.